Hi, it's Stuart Carter from Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester. Just about to show you a short video on this Peugeot 208. This particular one is a 1.2 Allure 82 brake horsepower PureTech with the 5-door hatchback with the 5-speed manual gearbox. Now the car was registered 2017 on a 17 plate and is currently done just under 3,000 miles. The car is in Bianco white, solid, and again has the balance of the manufacturer's 3 years 60,000 miles warranty. Now we're on London Road in Dorchester if you'd like to pop along and have a look at the car, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066. And I hope